Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn sequences and series together, step by step. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. In an arithmetic sequence, you add the same fixed amount, called the common difference d, to get the next term. The nth term equals the first term plus n minus 1 times d. For 3, 7, 11, 15, the first term is 3, and d is 4. In a geometric sequence, you multiply by a fixed number, the common ratio r, each step. The nth term is the first term times r to the power n minus 1. Take 2, 6, 18, 54. Each term is triple the one before, so the first term is 2 and the ratio is 3. Multiplying grows these fast. Find the 10th term of 5, 9, 13, 17. This is arithmetic with first term 5 and common difference 4. Use the formula. A sub 10 equals 5 plus 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 5 gives 41. So the 10th term is 41, found without writing out every step. Now sum the first 10 terms of that same sequence. The arithmetic sum formula is n over 2 times the first term plus the last term. We have 10 terms. First is 5, last is 41. So 10 over 2 is 5, times 5 plus 41, which is 46. 5 times 46 gives 230. Let's finish strong. Arithmetic sequences add a common difference. Geometric ones multiply by a common ratio. Each has a clean nth term formula. To add up an arithmetic series, take n over 2 times the sum of the first and last terms. Always identify the pattern first, then the right formula falls into place. Great work this series. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.